We're talking about GoPro once again, and today I'm going to share with you the best vlogging setup for GoPro that I've found so far. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. You guys who are seeing me for the first time, this is Kionz here. I'm a filmmaker, content creator, as well as an entrepreneur. And today, in this episode, we are talking about the GoPro. And what is it that I'm going to talk about? It's basically the vlogging setup. So by the end of this video, you will find that it will transform into a much more nicer vlogging camera. All right. So let me just share you what are the simple things that I've just bought. First of all is the GoPro Hero 9 cage, and then of course a mini LED light, and you do need an adapter for the GoPro Hero 9 in order to attach external microphone to it, right? So what I have just bought earlier, which is the Ulanzi mini tripod as well as the Boya mic. I also did a review on my earlier videos in regards to these two items. You can go and check it out on the card right up here as well as in the description box, alright? So without further ado, let's unbox this. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss awesome videos like this in terms of filmmaking, content creation. And do let me know along this video in the comment section if you are a GoPro Hero user. Let me know your experience, share me your GoPro experience and content creation experience, and let's go right into the unboxing, shall we? Alright, first of all, we're going to install the GoPro into this cage. And what we need to do is, of course, at the very beginning, is to remove the door, knock it out. Then, just going to open this up, open the side door. There we go. Then, the microphone adapter goes right into here, and then we attached it to the USB-C port right here. Okay, then we can attach this to the mini tripod or whatever rig you want to, and then we can mount on the microphone and as well as the light. Then we connect the microphone right into this. Here we go. Alright, let's try this out. For that, it's a bit boring. Change my outfit. Whew. Right. Right. Let's go test this out. Let's cut to the GoPro, and I'm going to vlog from the GoPro. This is a test for the Ulanzi vlogging rig, where we have a very handy mic attached and as well as the lights attached, so that I can always get myself lit up. So let me just show you around. I'm shooting myself vlogging entirely with the GoPro. I'm at the curve right now. Very beautiful Chinese New Year decoration right here, as you can see, and even the music is behind playing. I believe you can hear me clearly. All right. That's a really awesome and badass setup for vlogging, isn't it? Alright guys, hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe this channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!